Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this little cute mini decor or mini village that'll be perfect for a Christmas decoration or your tier tray. So this wood slice is from Hobby Lobby. I'm coating this with Mod Podge and then I'm going to add some fake snow. That fake snow came from Dollar Tree. Most of these items are from Hobby Lobby and it's really easy to make this. Now I'm going to leave the items that I use below in the description box so you can make your own. That bottled brush tree is also from Hobby Lobby, but I've seen them at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to add some fake snow as well. For the little banner, I did that on my computer, but I used a paper straw, and then I used a gold bead for the top part. And for the antlers, I made those gold. What I used was a Krylon gold leafing pen, so that's a perfect little accent to add to the deer. And the little mini gift you're going to see as I glue it onto the base of the wood slice, it's from a digital print and it's a download from Etsy. Since I had these little tiny snowmen on hand, I decided to create a second one. The snowman I painted with acrylic paint, white and black. I added a little scarf with some felt, just cut a small strip, wrap it around, and then I used Posca pens to paint the eyes and the nose. But see, I couldn't stop there because I decided to create a third one. The third one, I did it with a little house. If you have seen my video on how to do these little house charms, I have that. I'll leave that link above, but that video was done a couple months ago. So I decided to wrap these around with some Christmas cardstock I had on hand, and it came out really pretty. So I have a collection of 3 now available in my Etsy shop for sale. Only 1 set. I'm not going to make any more. So if you're interested, only 1, and once it's gone, it's gone. So this is the complete collection, and I hope it inspires you. I hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Thank you so much for joining me. And you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Until next DIY or next video. God bless. Bye-bye.